this is Jen Butner. Welcome to Natural Remedies. Today we're going to talk about pink eye. Now, first, let's just talk about the signs and symptoms of pink eye. If you have pink eye, you might have really red, itchy eyes with a whole bunch of drainage that might be kind of purulent in color. There are 4 types of pink eye. You can have it caused from bacteria, viruses, it could be fungus, or even allergies. Sometimes people ask, if I have allergies, how will I know the difference between bacteria and pink eye with allergy type pink eye? With allergies, you typically just have the redness and the itchiness without that drainage. Anyways, let's get down to it. There are really just 4 simple ingredients that you need to make this, and you probably already have this around the house. So what you need is to get a cup of green tea. It can be any kind of green tea. You just take your green tea and you'll put it in your cup of hot water. That you'll definitely want to make sure that this cools down before you put it in your eye, but you'll start with some hot water. And then the next ingredient that you want to add is a teaspoon of raw organic honey. So you'll add your teaspoon of raw organic honey. So I typically, you can measure this, but I just add about a teaspoon of this in there. And the great thing about honey is it has these glucose oxidase enzymes in there that really do help have this antimicrobial, like a natural antimicrobial property to them. And it's very healing to any external layers of your skin or the external layer of your eye. And then the next ingredient is simply just a half a teaspoon of the coconut oil. It's best if you can get like the raw organic kind. You'll just stir that in your green tea. And then, last but not least, just a half a teaspoon of salt. Now I'm using a half a cup of warm water, so I need a half a teaspoon of salt. And what this does is it really just gives it that like saline, feeling is a little bit more gentle on your eye than regular water. So a half a teaspoon per a half a cup of warm water. You'll stir all that up. Have your green tea steeping while you're doing all this. And if you have an eyedropper, that would be great because you can just take a few drops after you've let this cool down, this mixture. If you don't have an eyedropper, that's also fine. You can just get yourself a Q-tip from the bathroom, a clean Q-tip, and you can just kind of swirl it in there once it's cooled down. And once it kind of gets to the point where it like drops off, you can drop that in your eye and then take the rest and just kind of rub your eyelashes, especially if there's a lot of drainage in there, just to make it feel better. If you have both eyes that have pink eye, not just one, then you'll use one side of the Q-tip for one eye and then the other side for the other eye, taking care not to cross-contaminate and not to kind of double dip, so to speak, with the bacteria in your eye getting into the solution and then contaminating your solution. And you'll toss this, and the great thing about this is you can reapply it as often as you want. You can put it on like every hour or every 30 minutes, every 2 hours, whatever helps your eye to feel better. And usually after about a day or so, maybe 2 of doing this, you'll find great relief. It'll be all cleared up. One thing that you want to know about pink eye is that it's very contagious. So strict hand washing is key. You want to make sure you're washing your hands, not rubbing your eyes. If you were wearing any eye makeup when these symptoms appeared, you're going to want to toss that because now it's contaminated and you don't want to reapply that makeup after your eyes healed and then get pink eye again. If you wear glasses, sunglasses, reading glasses, any kind of glasses, make sure that you're disinfecting those so that you don't recontaminate your eye once this is healed up as well. And that's it, a quick natural home remedy video with ingredients you probably already have in your house. If this has been helpful, hit like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.